This is day 4 of building an AI app, and this is the biggest update yet. I finally upgraded the landing page, and if you're like me, not a designer at all, you'll love this method. I used the free version of Cursor to generate the initial layout. Here's how. I found a clean landing page design on Dribble, downloaded it as an image, and attached it into Cursor along with the prompt. In the prompt, I ask for the essentials, hero section, features, pricing, FAQs, and a call to action. Cursor handled the rest. It generated the code and I could just accept or tweak the output. Then I customized the code to match my brand colors and integrated it with ShadCN UI, which is the component library I'm using. Of course, I made it mobile responsive since I'll be promoting this on TikTok. Most people will be checking it out on their phones. For the visuals, like the logo and hero sections image, I used Canva. You can actually create simple GIFs with animations in there. Super easy. For decorative elements, like the one in the pricing section, I used Andro handcraft illustrations to highlight the 50% discount. I also added templates so users can customize the AI output. Think of it like this: find a winning template and you can reuse it for any job description. Now, when you generate a cover letter, you can optionally pick a template or just leave it blank and let the AI freestyle. I redesigned the output too. Instead of a basic text dump, it now pops up in a Shadsi and Sheet dialog, which looks way better, especially on mobile. That's it for today. If you want to follow the journey and see this thing come to life, hit that follow button.